Guys, Ron here, and welcome back to another video. This is my full 2018 fireworks stash. Let's get it. This is about $350 something. We got flame thrower rocket, bottle rockets, 6 of them. I got a deal. These were $7.99, but I got a nice deal. I got flying color butterfly rockets and mountain of fireworks and howling rattler. These were all $7.99, but there was a deal, 3 of them for $10. Got a black cat firecracker roll, but I don't know how many, but you know, it's cool. Color salute. So there's just different colors. It's nice. It's just kind of sweet. I probably won't have any room, so 2 long yellow punks. Night plane. They're just like cool jets, and kind of they just light them up, go up the air, explode. Everybody knows them. Mini shell kit, which I got for free. I went to different fireworks shops. I don't know which I got what at, so I got this for free, the mini shell kit with the little mortar. It's kind of cute. I got that for free, and here we got Whistling Moon Traveler bottle rockets, a boat. A boat, so you light it and it shoots out. It's kind of like a tank, but a boat. These don't shoot off, they just explode. I have, if I can find them, another one. So I got 1, 2, 3, which with this phone up, and then there's another one if I can find it. We got Wild West Express. It's a little cool, just little train. You light it, go off. Hopefully it's nice. Got 2 generic, just Canon brand generic tanks. And with that, there is tank with reports, and set this down right here. Open it. I'm going to open it, show you guys. 12 of them. This green Chinese brand, pink, red. I got green, just red, just generic Chinese brand tanks. Yeah, you're looking at that. It keeps coming in the video, so I know I'm not gonna say it. The amazing fountain. This is like the end cake Joker. $60. I'm not gonna say the brands because it's just gonna take forever. Little bug, ladybug things. These are amazing. I love them. I would recommend them. Got 2 of those. The only reason I'm setting them all up is because I got my recording space right here, and yep. Got 3 poppets. I mean, not poppets, party poppers. It's not just 3, 4, and then there's a packet of them. And I'll show them when I find them. Can't find them. I'll look for them later. So yeah, I'll show you when I find them. So I pushed one. Cheap Black Cat sparklers. And I did have an assortment, and this came from it. I wanted to make an assortment video, but my dad already opened it before I could, so I can't. Cheap metal ones. The metal gets hot and burns your hand. Got Chaku fountain. My dad likes it just because it's really loud. We got I'm just doing it, 100 shot magic barrage. This was $10. No, 20, yeah. What was $20, and I got 2 of them. It's just amazing. 100 shot. Amazing. Oh yeah, here's another ship. And another loose party popper. Pooping elephant is kind of like poopy puppies, just knockoff. Cool jet. 5-minute smoke tube. This is kind of cool. It's just military grade smoke. I like it because it's just 5 minutes, and it's not just like barely any smoke. It's tons, lots of calamari flowers. Spins on ground and makes flames and sparks. Kind of just like your generic spinners. You nail this on a tree. There's a hole. There's a nail in the back. You nail it on a tree and it spins. Wailing wheel. So it spins. Cool. It's really cool. Black Cat neon sparklers. Cool. Look at that. Look at that. Those are cool. Like, normally I'm not excited for sparklers. No one really is. But these really make me excited to light these. Hey. Monster Pops. They're super loud. They're louder than any of the poppets that I have. I got 1, 2. I saw a demo of these out. I'm like, Dad, we're getting those. 1, 2, 3 packs. More somewhere. No, so that's it. I got Super Snaps. And then Black Cat. Best you can get. Another pack of Super Snaps. On Black Cat, I might just say the brands, might not. Green Hornet spinners. These are really nice. These were cheap. $3. Yeah, I'm not joking. $3. New small bees. With small little bees, nothing interesting. Tortoise, kind of like a tank, spin, light it. Cool. I haven't seen it, but it's like a firecracker. This is Black Cat. I suppose that was world class. Black Cat ground bloom flowers. These are really small. Like, look, compared to my pinky, so small. Compare them to the TNT ground blooms. Look at that's a big thing. These are, I haven't lit them. Probably TNT ground blooms. Another one of them. Sorry for the mounting. It's my cat. It's playing with another other cat that my friend brought over. But I'm not keeping the other cat. Just playing with him. And the mom is here. Another ground bloom. It just took the wrapper, fell off. 4 Black Cat firecrackers. 16 pack. Be quiet. Come on. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You're ruining my video. 50 roll of Black Cat firecrackers.
Where's the big snaps?
Magical crystal. I just probably lost a whole thing of Monster Pops, the big snaps. These are fun. They light them, they shoot up in the air. Hi, cheesecake. Yeah, got it for $9. My dad will probably pop one of them. Yeah, see, you can hear them. I'm just gonna wait a second, talk to my dad, and I can't just pause the video and get out. Here, I'll pause it. Sorry guys, I had to wait. I had to go move the kittens because they kept just kind of ruining the video. Those pops are my dad. Yeah, the thing's gone. Spy, Goods, Gods, I don't know, that's covering it up. These, they're $5. They're kind of expensive, but they're really good. I recommend them. Doggy Doo-Doo, Poopy Puppies, kind of like the elephant. 2-color spaceships. These are amazing. I love these. 3 of them. Oh my god, look at my dad. Crazy. Popping them everywhere. This is also from the assortment pack that I got. I can't do it because my dad opened it right away. Gold, silvery flower fountain. Cuckoo. I love these type of fountains. Also in the assortment, and tricolor sprayer. I'm actually kind of excited of it. The thing it's called. Also by Bucket. Also, gold and silver treasury. Silver treasures. Also a fountain. And then we got Black Cat. Plastic before lighting. Missile base, 25 shots. 2 of those. One of them came in the assortment. One I just bought alone. Broken. Can't use these at all. What is this? Crying baby. Cake. I got 3. It's a mix and match. I got 3 of these for a mix and match, not 3 crybaby, and then I have adults only and another crybaby. They're each 10, but I got 3 of these for, what was it? $20. So it saves, so it's basically one for free. So crybaby, 200 gram, okay. So nice. Then adults only, 7 shots. Same thing on this. Yep, 7 shots. Got these cock crowning at dawn. And so I got these. I got 2 of these, or buy one get one free. A lot of this stuff, if I have 2 of it, it's probably buy one get one free. Yeah, I haven't seen them before. I saw a review on them. They're okay, kind of meh. I just gotta get them. They're 79 cents. So okay, Roman candles. No. My name's Roman, by the way, so it's kind of funny. All these Roman candles gonna go one by one. They're all in assortment. So we got 10-ball Roman candle. Got they're all by Black Cat. Got 4 of these. Long ones. 10-ball Roman candle. Also by Black Cat. Red and orange, all those. So that. Okay, got that done with. This is cool. Black Cat. Holton Fast. I probably slaughtered that name. I'm going to 4th grade, so don't judge me. So I kind of opened up the back of this, It's actually two of those cars. Then I got this. I'm excited to like this, like all detailed and stuff. But if I pull it off, it's just broke. It breaks it, and then. But when you light it, I think they're supposed to fly out. It's cool. Oh, there are the other Black Cat party poppers. Nothing interesting, just Black Cat party poppers. Cracker Tracker. Crackling Tracker. Don't mess with the U.S. Thundercat. This is funny. You did 9/11. I don't know who you are. I'm excited for these. They're kind of just funny little novelty ones. Snipers on the back. They're just pull strings, so yeah. Magnum flasher. My dad's kind of just a little weird, and he didn't know what these were. Strobes. Go. Uno. Dos. Quiet, Mom. Sorry, I had to do that. It's just uno, dos, and then I try. Got 3 of these. 3 of them. They're just strobes. Put them on the side. Another thing, crackling balls, smoke balls. If you could feel this, it said that there were 6 on the thing, but there's actually 12. This is heavy. I wish you could feel this. This is probably like a pound and a half. This is cool. I got it for $4. Kind of expensive because I saw I could get it for $11. I could get it for $7 for 2 of these. That's only $1 less, but still. M45 tank. It's cool. I'm excited for these to launch off. Yeah. Down there, I'm gonna put that with the tank war. Crazy eyeballs, TNT. Already had these. What is this? Pop Star. Pop Star. This is surprisingly a cake. Yeah. I think it's a 5-shot? Dang it, focus. I'm gonna look at this whole thing. I think it's a 5-shot. So, here, I'm gonna pause it. The cats are making the crinkling noise. Sorry for headphone users. Here, pause it. Sorry you had to hear that. It's my kittens. Black Cat ground boom flowers. 2 packs of these. B3 bomber with report. 4. That's it. I'm just grabbing it, so if it's all kind of mixed up in there, it's not my fault. I'm just grabbing stuff. Black snakes. Oh, just snakes, sorted snakes, color snakes. I doubt that they're actually colorful, but $2.50, which is kind of expensive. But hey, I live in Minnesota, so SOS shots. Cool. I'm gonna try to find how many shots. 6. Cool. Little cake. I don't call them cake, and there's something else. I don't know. These are like 1-inch tubes. I can feel it. These are like a centimeter. No. These are like 2-inch tubes. 1.5 inches. That's probably 1 inch. Got Black Cat 6-gun cake. How many shots? Soak after use. Wait, is this a fountain? Oh yeah, this is a fountain. Oh no, cake. It doesn't say how many shots. It kind of sucks. Sorry for the noise in the background. It's my mom. Got Legend fireworks, strobe and crackling, little, what are they, like, I don't know what they are. I just got these. Are they like firecrackers, strobe, they're just strobe lights. The first one was strobe, night parachutes, they were open, so I got a discount. I got them for $1. Where is that loose? There's this loose M80. There's loose. Oh no, not an M80. Loose. Whatever. What is this? An M80 cracker, firecracker. I didn't get this. I got it for free. I was at the counter when I was checking out on the third store, the last store, and I saw it like, oh cool. Oh, look, it's a loose M80 cracker. And the lady said, hey, do you want it? Hey, you can have it for free. And I'm like, sure. And they gave it to me for free. So, got a big tank fireworks. Just take. Hot Zone, I got this for free. It's a cake. These are thick tubes. Fuse protector, tear when lit. Okay. You can pause and see the performance. I don't know how many shots. I don't know how many shots. I know. And I also got this one for free at the other store, 9 shots. I think this is a 7-shot. This is a 9-shot heavy metal cake. I got all of these $20 19 ones for $25. It's charged 200 gram 16-shot reckless 200 gram. I have no idea how many shots. And Peep Show, which is kind of cool. Peep Show for I don't know how many shots. Then we got jumbo smoke carriage, some smoke bomb. There's tons of gunpowder leaking off the bottom. I might take a piece of tape and just tape it so it stops. Jumbo smoke barrage. I got this for $1. I saw someone else who got this and the back was ripped on YouTube. And then I shot what was it? Rampage. That, and now I got Ring of Fire. So another one of the filler cakes. Put that there. So there's our fireworks accessories. Is all messy because it was all right here, but and this was all empty. So I start putting. So there we go. All of it. I'm Roman. This is my 2018 fireworks stash, and goodbye.